Welcome to PuviMac channel. Today we learn about standard 11th function. What is one-to-one function? See the arrow diagram. Every element in A have the distinct element in B. That is, element 1 have distinct element A in B. Element 2 have distinct element B in B. And element 3 have C in B. Therefore, 1, 2, 3 are associated with A, B and C respectively. The different element in A have different images in B under the function f. Therefore, f is one-to-one function. Definition: f is said to be one-to-one if each element of the range is associated with exactly one element of the domain. Do different elements in the domain A have the different images in the codomain B? That is, A1 not equal to A2 implies f of A1 not equal to f of A2 for all A1, A2 belongs to A. Equivalently, f of A1 is equal to f of A2 implies A1 is equal to A2. Show that the function y is equal to x squared is not one-to-one function. Here the graph f of minus 1 and f of 1 have the same image in the codomain y is equal to 1 in B. Okay. If y is equal to f of x which is equal to x squared, then f of 1 is equal to 1 squared, that is equal to 1. F of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 the whole squared, that is also 1. That is, we have 1 not equal to minus 1 implies f of 1 not equal to f of minus 1. But we have f of 1 and f of minus 1 have the same image. Therefore, it is not a one-to-one function. Thus, different objects in the domain have the same image. Therefore, the function is not one-to-one. Onto function. See the arrow diagram. F of 1 have the image in 5 in B and f of 2 are the same image in B. And f of 3 and f of 4 have the same image 6s in B. Therefore, the range of f of A is equal to 5, 6, which is also codomain. Then codomain is equal to 5, 6. F of A is equal to B. That is, when f is one-to-one, the range is equal to codomain. What is the condition? Range must be equal to codomain. Then the function is called onto function. F is equal to 1, 5 and 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 6. The range of f of A is equal to 5, 6, which is equal to B. Codomain 5, 6. Then f of A is equal to B. The given function is onto. The condition for onto function is equal to the range of f is equal to codomain. Okay. Example for not onto function. Here look at the arrow diagram. The codomain of E does not have the free image in X. Okay. Therefore, it is not an onto function. The range of f is C, D. The codomain is CDE. The range and the codomain does not equal. That is, f is a subset of the codomain. Therefore, the given function is not a onto function. Okay. Definition of onto function. A function f is onto if to each element B in the codomain there is at least one element A in the domain such that B is equal to f of A. At least one free image in A. Okay. Every element in B have at least one element in A. That is called onto function. What is mean by bijective function? To prove it is a bijective function, it is enough to prove 1 1 and onto. Here we have the one sum f is equal to r to r. The domain is r and also codomain is equal to r. F of x is equal to x plus 1. Then clearly the image set r, which is same as the codomain r. Therefore it is onto function. Take b belongs to r, then we can find b minus belongs to r such that f of b minus 1 is equal to b minus 1 plus 1, so that f is onto function. Okay. Then two different elements in the domain R have the different images in the codomain R. Therefore it is 1 to 1. Okay. Here f of a1 is equal to a1 plus 1 and f of a2 is equal to a2 plus 1. That is, f of a1 is equal to f of a2 implies a1 plus 1 is equal to a2 plus 1, 1 getting cancelled, then a1 is equal to a2. We have f of a1 is equal to f of a2 implies a1 is equal to a2. Then f is 1 to 1. Then we have proved that f is onto and f is 1 to 1. Then it is called bijective function. The function is bijective. When f is 1 1 function, then it is called injective function. F is onto function, surjective. Then the f is have 1 1 onto, then it is called bijective function. What is identity function? Look at the graph. The set A mapped into the set A itself. Okay. Then the reflection of 1 is itself only. Okay. The image of 0 is 0. The image of 1 is 1. And also image of 2 is 2. Then image of minus 1, minus 1. The image of minus 2 is also minus 2. That is, the number reflects itself, then it is called identity function. A function f from a set A to the same set A is said to be an identity function if f of x is x for all x belongs to A. F from A to A is defined by f of x is equal to x for all x belongs to A. Identity function is denoted by I of A. We give the name as identity function I of A, simply we denoted as I. Therefore, I of x is equal to x for all x. I of x is equal to x always. What is the condition for f inverse exists? When f inverse exists, only f is 1 to 1 onto. That is, f is a bijection function, then f inverse exists. Here, the image of 1 is equal to A and image of 2 is also A. Image of 3 is equal to B. It is a onto function, but it is not a 1 to function. Because 1 and 2 have the same image in B, it is a many to 1 function. The f is not a 1 1 function, then it is the f inverse does not exist. Okay. Here all the elements in A has unique image. Okay, unique image. A B to A means f inverse, function f inverse of A is equal to 1 and f inverse of A is equal to 2. F inverse of B is equal to 3. This is because the function is not 1 to 1. F inverse exists if and only if f is 1 1 and onto. Composition of function. The domain of f is equal to A and codomain of f is equal to B. Okay. G is a function from B to C. Then domain of G is equal to B and the codomain of G is equal to C. A, B, C be any three elements. Let f from A to B, G from B to C be two function. Note that the domain of G is the Domain of G is the codomain of the F. Okay, from the diagram itself we know. Define a new function G composition F A to C such that G of F is equal to G of F of A for all A belongs to A. Composition of G and F. Look at the diagram. G composition F is a function from A to C. We know that. Identify the images of the elements of A under the function G composition F. G composition F of 1 is equal to G of F of 1. F of 1 is equal to 3. Then G of 3 is equal to 5. From the diagram we know it. G composition F of 2 is equal to G of F of 2. We know that G of F of 2 is equal to 4. Then G of 4 is equal to 6. The image of 1 is equal to 5 and the image of 2 is equal to 6 under G composition F, and G composition F is equal to 1, 5 and 2, 6. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.